Welcome! We're going to be making kohlrabi fried rice today. Now this turnip is actually really sweet and crunchy and adds such a nice texture to your fried rice. You're going to need 1 kohlrabi diced, 2 preserved pork sausages diced, half a strip of preserved pork belly diced, 2 green onions diced, 2 cups of cooked rice, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and 1 teaspoon of oil. Now let's get started. Add your oil and preserved pork belly to wok on high heat and saute for 30 seconds. Now add your preserved pork sausages and saute for 30 seconds. Now add your diced kohlrabi to your wok and saute for 30 seconds. Then you're going to cover and let it simmer and cook for 2 minutes. Now you're going to add your 1 tablespoon of soya sauce to the wok. The preserved pork belly and preserved sausages already have a lot of flavor, so you don't need to add a lot of seasoning. Add the cooked rice to the wok and mix everything really well. Next, you can add diced green onion, diced chives, or diced scallions. It's really up to you and your preference. Mix all your ingredients well in the wok and then serve hot. I hope you enjoy this delicious fried rice. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.